Hello there. This is a practical guide to designing for using rotary device settings. If you want to do something like this, a cup, a can, whatever you're doing, and how to plan out the design for this. I'm going to be using one of those fabric intended kind of measuring devices. And I've already done the full wraparound in millimeters and the height, which comes out to, for a soda can, is something like 8.04 inches, and what is this, 3.5 inches tall. So I have my measurements for the full circumference and height of a soda can, and now I want to bring it into Lightburn to be able to plan out my engrave job. So here I have an 8.04 by 3.5 square. But now the thing about having an engraving on a can is if you have a full wraparound, you may not care about this as much. But when you're staring at the front of your object, you're only looking at a third of the actual can. Because if we broke this up into thirds, you're only looking at 1/3 of the can at any given time. So if you have some text or something, you want to be able to look at the full thing first, put that within a third of the space of the can, which you can achieve, once you have all of the layouts of, your measurements and everything. You have your circumference and the height. Then you can just duplicate that object. Move it away out of the way. Unlock this padlock. Go to the height. Now we only want it to be a third of the circumference, or a third of the height. So just do /3 to make it a third of the height. So now we have 1/3 of this section. So now any text that you put within this space, this is your great message that you want to tell the world on your soda can. Just rotate it around. And now this all fits, and you will see it on just one full, view of your soda can here, or your cup, or your whatever. So be sure to plan accordingly. So if you're going to be doing like a full wraparound, this may not be that important. But if you want one whole section of the can to be visible from the front, like if it's for a logo for a business, for a cause or whatever, you just want it easily seen like that, plan it for like this. Have it fit within a third of a space. Hope that tip is helpful for when you're doing your rotary engraving stuff. So bye.